If you are wondering if there is a charger or power adapter included inside the box of a POCO F8 Pro, then the answer is yes and no. It actually depends where you purchase the phone, because for example in Europe, in most of the European countries at least, you will not find a power adapter inside the box. They are simply not included. However, in some other regions where you usually can still find a power adapter, you can of course still find the power adapter, and it is also confirmed on the Xiaomi website that chargers can be included inside the box. So you can, for example, take a look at the back of the box where we have this graphic that of course can indicate if the power adapter is not included, so you know if you have to purchase one, and that's pretty much it. So if in your region or country usually you cannot find chargers or power adapters anymore, most likely you will not be able to find it inside the box of POCO F8 Pro as well. But otherwise, if in your country you can still get power adapters, like for example in some Asian countries, like for example in India, then in that case you will most likely do get a power adapter. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.